Want to create stunning, professional quality videos with just one prompt and no editing skills? Stay tuned, because this video will blow your mind. Here's how you can create high-quality videos effortlessly, just like the one you're watching. First, search Visla on Google and click the first link. Hit Sign Up. Continue with Google and select your email ID. Once you're in, click Create Video. Now, type your prompt. Something like, create a video on the water crisis worldwide in English. This informs Visla about your video's topic and language. Want to use Visla's free version? Simply uncheck the premium stock option before proceeding. Then click Create. And watch as Visla generates your video in seconds. When need to tweak captions, no problem. Just make quick edits, preview the video, and once you're satisfied, hit download to use your masterpiece anywhere. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more game-changing tutorials.